Hi everyone, today we'll be having a look at the B major scale, and the B major scale is a scale that actually plays quite easily underneath our fingers since it is going to use all of the accidentals, meaning we have F sharp, we've got C sharp, G sharp, D sharp and A sharp, which with only two white keys that we will be playing in between these accidentals or black keys that we'll be playing. Again, for those that are new to the channel, welcome. Remember to hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel so that more other avid piano players might see my scale video. Right, let's jump in. As usually, first we'll be doing the right hand and left hand separately for one octave. Starting on B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. And now I'll be just coming down the same route that I went up with. The left hand fingering is going to work a little bit differently. I'm going to start with my fourth finger on B, C sharp, D sharp, E, so that I can have my forefinger over onto the next group of black keys and have enough fingers to end again on my thumb. Thumb again. Playing these hands together. Coordinating nicely. Making sure I end on the thumb and fifth. Having my thumbs on E. So a really easy scale pattern to play. For two octaves, we'll be copying and pasting our finger again, going up. Let's have a look-see. First, right hand. Thumb. So thumb on B and E. Left hand. Here you can see that when we get to the second octave, we're going to have our thumb there so that we can put our third over in order to have our thumb again on E. Thumb's always on B and E. Hands together. Thumb, thumb. Moving on to 4 octaves. Remember, I'll be doing this from the Hanon book of exercises, meaning that we are going to have a repeat. Let's play this one hands together, 4 octaves. We're going to start nice and low in order for us not to run out of any space. At the end of each Hanon exercise, there's always a cadential progression. And although this is not necessarily needed for you to practice and be able to play the scale, it's very, very good practice since it teaches you how these progressions work within each scale. So we're going to get to the bottom. Our right hand is going to go up to middle C. We're going to have C sharp, G sharp, and B, 1, 3, and 5 with E. Then I'm going to play my thumb on D sharp and F sharp right here, while I'm going to play F sharp here with my pinky on B for the right. Then from here, I'm going to have a little bit of a hand movement. Since I'm going to jump down all the way to F sharp, I'm going to have A sharp, F sharp, E, and C sharp. And then followed by going back to B and having B, D sharp, F sharp, and B again. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Nice big stretch there to end off this cadential progression. And that is the B major scale. Thanks so much for watching, and check out the next video in the series, all B majors relative minors. Thanks for watching.